We're rushing. Hello friends, we are here in Skopje, Macedonia. See, very splendor, very grandiose here in the plaza. But when you go out from here, so many graffiti at hindi rin sila namimintin yung linis ng city. Para bang contrasting to this grandeur and to the environment outside this. So see, very grandeur. Ang daming mga statue na ang lalaki.
Never guide no go from the ground.
Oni su glupavi, ja.
Ja sam cijelo vrijeme na работа, evo, do Juli su na работа.
Oh, it's daytime. It's very hot here today. Because this is the city. Dami din nilang stray dogs. Lalaki. Yeah.
It's 11:30.
Now?
Now it is 11:30.
So it went back my phone?
I don't know, your phone hasn't got a good clock,
Oh,
okay? It's 11:30. We've got to get out of that room
okay.
as
See you.
fast as possible, okay?